Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing unboxing of Xiaomi's latest smartphone, Redmi Note 11 Pro. A big shout out to my friend and tech YouTuber Yunus Ghazali for allowing me to show the unboxing of his video on my channel, because unfortunately this smartphone is not available in Dubai and will take long time to reach Dubai, probably by next month. I would share links of his channel in the description below. Please do check out his channel. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. This is the Chinese variant, as the global version is not yet available. The box has Note 11 written on big letters. You can see 67 watt fast charging is highlighted here. There is a Redmi logo at the back. This is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, green color variant. Let's see what's inside the box. There is a SIM ejection tool and some paperwork in Chinese. You get a regular silicone case, but the quality of the case is quite substandard. But for this price, there is nothing to complain. And guys, this is great. You get a 67 watt fast charger which can charge its 5160 mAh battery in less than an hour. You also get a Type A to Type C cable. Now here's the smartphone. This is the stunning green color. It also comes in black and purple color option. The smartphone is 8.3 mm thick and is quite easy to hold in the hands as shown. In terms of its weight, it is quite lightweight, is 207 grams, which makes it a great choice for daily use. The color looks really impressive on camera. I have not seen it in person, but definitely looks impressive on camera. In fact, it doesn't look like the typical green color. It looks more like a bluish green. Now let's talk about its design. On the side is made out of plastic and has a glass back and front. Despite of glass back, I quite like the matte finish it has, which definitely makes it look more premium. On the right side, you get the volume rockers and the power button, which is also a fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone. The 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution looks beautiful and impressive with tiny bezels. The display also supports 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. On the left side, there is no physical buttons. At the bottom, we have stereo speakers. There is another speaker at the top powered by JBL. I'm sure with dual speaker is gonna be great for multimedia consumption and also for playing games. There is also a main microphone, a SIM card tray and a USB Type-C slot. It's a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use 2 SIM card or 1 SIM card and a microSD card at the same time. On the top side, there is a secondary speaker powered by JBL, a 3.5mm headphone jack and secondary microphone. In terms of processor, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, which is an octa-core chip. It's running MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11 right out of the box. The starting price of this smartphone is 1,599 RMB, which is like 950 AED and $250. In Indian currency is 19,000 rupees. Also, you can see on the screen the price for different models in China. Now let's talk about its camera. It has a triple rear camera setup, 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel macro sensor. On the front, it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. I can't wait to test this camera as my device will come next month. Xiaomi has once again surprised us with another mid-range smartphone packed with some high-end specifications and a complete value for money. So that's it guys for this unboxing video. Once again, thanks to Yunus for this unboxing and hands-on video. I must say the smartphone looks really impressive and will be a popular choice in the coming months. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.